Well, UAL's Chief Financial Officer, Kathryn Mikells, joins us now live from Chicago. Kathryn, thanks so much for being with us. And, you contrast your results with what we saw from Delta, where they predicted a softer third quarter. It seems like you're managing your costs and your revenue a bit better. You're filling up your planes. At the same time, you're sort of trying to increase those prices. How are you balancing that right now?
Really, we're doing both of those things. Ultimately, in order to improve profitability, we need to get pricing power, and we get that by really controlling capacity in the market, and we've got to control our costs simultaneously. And if you look at our results for the quarter, that's exactly what we did. Our unit revenues were up about 27%, and our unit costs were only up, excluding fuel, about 2%. So everyone across the company doing a great job controlling costs and doing a great job delivering terrific service. We're number one year to date in terms of on time. Our customer satisfaction scores are up about 60% compared to 2008. And that's all about our 45,000 employees, just doing a great job, getting the nuts and bolts right every day of the week.
But Kathryn, talking about your capacity, because I know UAL, among the other airlines, of course, they parked their planes because of the recession, because demand just fell. Are you at the point where you think you could actually put those planes back into service?
We really understand that we've got to closely manage capacity over the course of the entire cycle in order to generate good profitability. And we're really too early on in this recovery period to suggest that it's the right time to really add a lot of capacity. And we've been extraordinarily disciplined in terms of our overall capacity. And for this year, our capacity is close to flat, and we think that's absolutely the right place to be as a company, and as an industry, that's where we need to be.
Well, any idea, though, about where it might be in 2011?
It's too early on to guide capacity at this point. We'll do that at the end of the third quarter. But overall, what's going to be really critical is that the industry, matches well capacity to what's going on in terms of demand. And we've got to get pricing power back. You're clearly seeing that in terms of our results this quarter. And we've got to just really manage that throughout the cycle so that we have reasonable profitability.
Kathryn, just give us an update, though, on your big mega merger with Continental. How is that going so far?
So far it's going extraordinarily well. We've got about 30 teams across the two companies that are working on integration planning. And, the terrific news for us is we've been partners with Continental and the Star Alliance for the last 2 years. And that was a great opportunity for our management teams to get to know one another. We respect one another. We work very well together. And we're already seeing that in our integration planning process. So off to a great start.
Kathryn, thanks so much for being with us. Appreciate it. Kathryn Mikells, the CFO of UAL.